Hello guys! Welcome back to the fourth lesson of this series. Today I will teach you how to bake the textures of a character. The reason why this is necessary, it's because when you import your model, sometimes it won't also import your textures properly. And today we will try to fix that. So, go inside the folder where you have the models, and from there I will make a copy of the Freddy character I made. I do this so I won't ruin the original model, because this will have different UV maps than the original one. After that, create a new folder where you will save the baked textures. This is really important. Rename it how you want. Now open the copy of the Blender file that we made, so we can begin. Select the armature and put it in rest position. The next step, since this file is the exporting one, you need to apply all modifiers, except the armature modifier. Simply, go to each one and press apply. I will speed this up by 800%. At this part, we must separate the parts with different materials and group them. If we would bake the textures for each part, it will take like 10x the amount of time. There are two ways to separate them, by selection or by material. I suggest that you use separate by material, since it's easier. This is how separate by selection looks like. And this is how separate by material looks like. To separate objects, just press M while in edit mode. Now select the objects that have the same material and group them. To join or group objects, press left Ctrl plus J. It's time to make its UV map. Before that, there are more important steps, and I will show you why, but first set the render engine to cycles. Here we have the main thing we need, the baking option. This is exactly what we will use for our textures. Now make a copy of the joined objects, yet another important step that I need to do before the UVs. Press Shift plus D to make a duplicate. Erase all materials from the duplicate and insert a brand new material to it. Rename this material however you want, but make sure to keep it, since you need to use this material from now on after you are done baking. Hop in the Shading tab. We will need to do the UVs of both the duplicate and original group. Select the original group, enter edit mode, select everything and press U, then click Smart UV Project. Since this is the first group, scale the UVs to your liking, depending on the way the textures look on your model. We need to this, otherwise we will get wrong textures or very low quality textures. And for the duplicate, make the Smart UV project but don't scale it, leave it as it is. This will make sure you won't get really low quality textures. Go to the Bake section, change Bake Type to Diffuse, and check the box of Selected Active, then set the extrusion to 0.01. Now, in the duplicates material, add a texture image and click New, rename it the way you want, and then set it 2048 by 2048, and then connect it to base color. Select the original group first, then press left Ctrl plus left mouse click on the duplicate, make sure direct and indirect are not checked, then click Bake. Now you have to wait until it's done. My texture looks similar to the baked one, which is good. Make sure you save them in the folder you prepared earlier. Now we have to do the same thing for normal map, metallic and roughness. It's the same process, but different bake types. For normal maps, choose normal, for roughness choose roughness, and for metallic, choose emission. The only bad part about baking is the amount of time you waste doing the same thing until you get all the textures you need. If this part is confusing, ask me for help in the comments. tweak the original settings of the normal map as well, since it might look different from the original a bit. After you are done with this, set the material you just created as the material for the original group model. After you are done, save your file, then just separate the parts by pressing M, then choosing loose parts inside the edit mode. It isn't difficult, it's just time consuming. All you have to do is do the same process for other parts with the same material, group them, duplicate it, make their proper UVs, and bake each texture. I need to mention that, make sure you saved each baked texture, it's really important. I made the rest of the bake off camera, it took me around 1 hour to bake the whole model. So now I will show you how to import your model to Roblox Studio. Go to File, then click Export. You can export as GLTF or FBX, though I recommend FBX. If you choose FBX, do these settings, go to Path Mode, and set to Copy, then click the icon next to it, then click Export. Make sure you have a separate folder with your exports. I will make a test between the two, so for now I will go GLTF. For GLTF, just click Export. Time to import it into Roblox Studio. Click on File, then click Import, or simply, press left Ctrl plus M. It looks just like in Blender, name it how you want. You choose if you save it to Roblox or not, then click Import and wait. It looks good. Now let's try to animate it. Now you will see why I prefer FBX. I don't even want to know what happened. The bigger model is the FBX import. Let's compare their rigs and see which is better. The FBX rig works as it should, and doesn't look glitched like the GLTF import. That's it for this tutorial. If you got questions, let me know. I hope this tutorial helped you. See you in my next video, bye.